Hello friends, this is Wendy with Love and Stampin'. I am excited that you're here with me today, and I am sharing this video publicly on YouTube because I have a few people that are struggling just a little bit with how to get onto the Mega Funfold class that I've created. So the first thing is, anytime you take a class from me, through this service, you always need to opt in to get the emails. So when you sign up, it's going to give you an option to enroll to get emails from me, and you really have to check yes that you want my emails. Because if you don't, when I email you about the class and say, hey, the class is ready, or this is happening, or different things like that, unfortunately, if you haven't opted into the email system, you're not going to get those emails. So this is separate than my website email. This is for my Creative Vault Teachable website. So I have two websites. I have a website that is like my blog and my regular website, and then I have a secondary website called loveandstampinvault.teachable.com. So that is the address you see up here in the bar. So if you've already purchased from me a class, you would want to go to loveandstampinvault.teachable.com. Then you're going to go to log in. Under login, you're going to put in your email address and your password that you set up when you joined or when you purchased a class from me. You'll click login, and then all of the products that are available to you that you have purchased from me will be shown here. So for example, I'm using a test, like I made myself a fake account as a student. So basically here you can see that I have purchased the Creative Vault and I have purchased the Mega Funfold class. So what I would do then after logging in is just click on the Mega Funfold class, and it's going to take me right to all of the class information, and I can just click Start Lesson. When I click Start Lesson, it's going to bring up the first thing. I'm going to watch the video, and then you can click Complete and Continue. When you do that, it's going to take you to the next lesson, and so on and so forth. You can download and print your PDFs and all of that stuff in this class. So I'm hoping that this sheds a lot of light on how to access your class. And again, normally I would not make this public on YouTube, but the reason I'm doing that is because I have class members who did not opt in to get the email when they signed up. So I've been getting a few emails of people saying, oh, I really want to, where's my class? Or I signed up for this class and I'm not seeing it. And it's just because they haven't logged in. So if you purchase the class, you have a login. It's your username and the password that you set up. If you don't remember the password, you can click on Forgot My Password. I know this is a new system for a lot of you, so whenever there's new technology being used, we kind of have to have a little bit of helping hand getting us through it. So I'm hoping this video helps you a lot and you understand how to access everything. But this little part right here, I'm going to click log out again. So this is the page that you'll come to. This is where all the products are. You don't want to click browse all products. You want to click log in here, or in the top right hand corner, you can click log in. Either one of those will work. Okay, so when you log in, it's going to bring you to this screen. You click login, or you add your email and password, click the remember me, and then it'll always know you. And then you'll have access to everything that you've ever purchased from me. Now, there are going to be more classes coming out from me. And so as you continue to purchase classes, you will have a large library here full of classes. And obviously there's a search bar here so you can search the classes and things like that. I hope this helps you, and I hope that this cleared up any confusion. If you did purchase my Mega Funfold class and you have not been able to access it yet, or you're having any issues, you can always go to loveandstampinvault.teachable.com and click Contact. When you do that, it's going to give you my contact information here on my regular website. So you can send me an email there, or you can literally just email me. Whatever works for you is totally fine. I hope this helps, and I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. Thanks so much for hanging out with me for a few minutes. If you haven't purchased the Mega Funfold class and you want to, there is a link below this video to do that. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.